How to download and install Roblox. For that, first of all, launch your App Store if you have iOS, and if you own Android, then open your Play Store. Then, on the searching bar, search for Roblox. There you will see Get option. Simply tap on that. Once you hit on Get, it will start downloading your Roblox application. Once it gets downloaded, there you will see Open button. Once you see Open button, simply tap to open Roblox. Now, here you have to add your username and password and log into your account, and then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily download and install Roblox in your mobile device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.